Hey y'all, happy new year. I'm starting out with my hair freshly shampooed. I did let most of my hair air dry, so I did detangle it and put it in these two French braids. And now what I'm going to do is take one of the braids loose, and there you have it. Now what I'm going to do is just part a small section in the back of that first section, and I'm going to clip it up, and then I'm going to use the Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie to moisturize my hair. Not so much define my curls, I just use this for a little bit of moisturization. Now I'm going to go in with the curling gel Soufflé by Shea Moisture as well, and I'm going in on top of the cream with the gel, and then I'm going to further detangle it with the rat tail comb, split that section in half, and begin twisting. And with this style, I'm twisting all the way to the end. When I get to the end, I like to do a little twirl with my finger, like so. And then I'm going to be taking the, I guess, medium-sized rods. They're the rods that are purple. They also come in other colors, but this is the size that I'm using. I start at the end and then I roll it all the way up and then secure it. Okay, so I did speed it up just a little bit because it's kind of self-explanatory, but I did want to show you what I'm doing. So what I did again was put in my products, detangle, and then twist it all the way down to the end. And then I'm going to put that rod on starting at the bottom. Of course, don't forget the curl twist at the end. Start at the bottom, roll it all the way up, and then secure the rod. And the family got home, so I had to show them some love a little bit. And then my 3-year-old passed gas on my lap, so he had to get down. Now I'm going to go ahead and continue this style. By the way, y'all, I really did not like the way this turned out, but I felt like I should still go ahead and edit and post this for some of you that may actually like this style. I have to realize that what I like, some people may not like, and what I don't like, some people may like. So I just wanted to show you all. Still, though I wasn't really a big fan of it, you can definitely make natural hairstyles work if it doesn't turn out the way you want it to, which is what I will be showing at the end. At this point, I'm finished twisting and rodding. So now what I'm going to do is take my portable dryer, put that on my head, and then turn on my blow dryer so that my hair can start drying. I only stay under the dryer for about, I say, an hour, maybe an hour and a half, because it was nighttime and I did have to go to sleep and get up in the morning, which is now. So now I'm just starting off taking out all of the rods. Now I'm going to be using some oil by Garnier Fructis, and I actually love this oil. It is very smoothing and it gives you a little bit of shine, so I love that. What I like to do is twist the opposite way, like so, and then begin from the bottom, unraveling the twist. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for the whole head. Okay, now that I have taken all of the twists out, I'm going to go ahead and separate those individual strands. I'm separating them in about 2 to 3 sections. Now what I really don't like about this look is that it looks stringy at the ends. As you can see, this was not the look I was going for, but I'm gonna work it out because again, I had to go to work. I didn't have time to do anything different. I really had to hurry up and get it done and be out the door. So as you can see my face, I'm kind of confused. I don't really know what's going on. So I decided to do my signature side part real quick, and that made it look way better. I'm gonna take my comb and make sure I get the part exactly where I want it. And then put that little bit behind my ear, and then just play with it a little bit more, separate where I need to, get my bang area together. And that is it, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.